Hi guys, hope you are doing well and you are watching Hyperitics Sec channel, and in this video we will discuss about how we can set the Windows Task Manager, means how we can schedule the different types of tasks in Windows so that our operation can be performed automatically. So we will do one example uh, in this video, and let's start. Let's say in our services, let's say if you have attendance system or anything, or any service, printer service, and it is checks twice in a day, once in a day, and you have to restart any service, or you have to shut down your computer automatically at a particular time, so you have to set task schedule. So we can perform different type of activities, we can set a script and your task will be performed. So let's say we will take the example. Let's say printer printer spooler. Most of the time this service get stuck and printer doesn't work, so just I'm giving you idea, but obviously in your case maybe a different service, and you can configure into the task manager, and this service will be automatically restarted in every 15 minutes and every 30 minutes. Even you can shut down your computer at your decided time automatically, so no need to worry about that. In this video we will discuss about the Windows Task Manager, and let's say example, I'm giving you the example. Let's say PowerShell. You have to open PowerShell. PowerShell, and you have to type PowerShell and run as administrator. So it is now as an administrator. Okay, now we have to note down the actual name of this service. Double click on it, and the actual name of the service is basically Spooler. We have to copy that service, copy, then we have to come on to the, now we have to jump onto the PowerShell, and let me, so that you can clearly check it. Okay, now service, it is currently running spooler, and service stop spooler. Sorry guys, I stopped this video because I got a very important call, that is the reason. And now we are going to start. Now we have to stop the service. I'm going to stop the service in front of you, and the service name is the spooler, and you have to click on that. You can see that service spooler is running at the moment, spooler, this one, and you have to enter this command, stop service name spooler, inverted commas, and then you have to type minus sign and then force. Once you click it, the service will be stopped. It is still running, but if you refresh it, the service will be stopped in front of you. Clear? Now we have to start the service. We are going to start the service. That's it, service has been started. So you can start or stop any service through the PowerShell, but actually it is not the actual root cause of this video. Basically we have to set the script, and then we have to save that script into the Windows Task Manager, so that your work can be performed automatically. Now we have a script. Now let's say if we want to start and stop any service, restart any service, so means we have to give the statement of stop services and then start services into the bat file. So we have a command. Then what we have to do, we have to go onto the start menu. We have to create one notepad file. We have to copy this, paste here, and then first the service will be stopped and then service will be start. So it will be restarted, and you have to click here onto the next line. Then you have to paste it, and you have to save this file, save as, put this file onto the desktop so that it can easily be accessible. Then we have to give the name test.bat. Save it. The file will be appear like that. Okay, this script is ready. So now we have to set the task manager. So you can create any type of task. Just I'm giving you the example for in order to clear your concept. Once the task is created and schedule is set, you can reset any service, you can perform any type of task automatically. So no need to worry about that at every time. You don't need to take the login into the PC for the service reset or any task. You can perform any task through the automation. So we have to click onto the start, then we have to simply type task. You will have a task manager. Once you have a task manager, then you have to click onto the create task. You have to give the task name test. Then you have to click run whether user is logged on or not. Click on that, and then you have to run this program with high privileges. Means this script will be executed with higher privileges, means through the administrative rights. You have to check mark this. Then you have to click onto the trigger. Then you have to click onto the new. Then you have to click on daily recurring tasks once a day. Then keep as it is, keep the thing as it is. Then you have to click onto the repeat. You have to click onto the every 15 minutes. Click OK. Then you have to click onto the action. Inside the action you have to upload the script. This test. Okay. It will ask the password. So task has been created. Task has been created, and Spooler service will be restarted in every 15 minutes automatically. No need to take login, especially for the service restart. Enjoy your party, enjoy with your family. The task will be performed automatically. Enjoy with your family and friends. Task will perform automatically. No need to take manual login and do the service restart. It will be done automatically. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon. Bye bye.